Our main goal for having this webinar is to say we need ideas to transform these materials here on the right side of the slide into new applications. About 15 million mattresses are discarded every year in the United States. MRC, doing about 1.7 million per year, is the largest mattress recycling organization in the United States. We've demonstrated that more than 75% of a mattress can be recycled. This slide here gives you an idea of what is recovered and where it goes. It's a fairly low-tech, sort of labor-intensive brute force industry. You give a bunch of guys box cutters, they physically cut open the mattresses, they separate the components into different piles, and then those are baled and shipped to the secondary markets. Fuel is separated and is either ground up to be mulch or is a fuel source. And then steel, as I mentioned, goes to the steel market. Every project we do in the research program needs to map to one of these 5 goals. To do this, we want to make sure the recycling process itself is as efficient as possible, that it's done in a sustainable way, and then the most important thing is the program continues to grow. We need to find new uses for the products that are recovered and diversify the markets. Demand is perhaps our highest priority type research project. There are a lot of headwinds in getting organizations to accept post-consumer products. In our challenges, and we start talking about, well, what drives us in some of our research project goals. So we're generating more product and we're seeing new states on the horizon. It's not all that out of the realm of possibility that in 5 years or so, with new states and continued improvement in the recycling operations, that we might need to find uses for maybe as much as 30 million pounds of additional recycled product. So what we have done to address this challenge is we've set up an open request for proposals. We will continue to run this request for proposals perpetually. So if you have an idea about generating a new market, please, this is a very good resource to go through what we're interested, the types of products we're looking for, and other information about being involved in this project. The sustainability aspect of the research program, what we're trying to do is lay the foundation for creating a circular economy for mattress materials. To get to this next level, we need support from the innovation community, people like you. As I mentioned, everyone wants home runs, but sometimes simple innovations can be strung together to create new system solutions that can bring us to those tipping points we seek.